Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with myself, James. So as always, we are going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to point you through some of the major talking points and features, and of course the optional extras on this stunning 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. The car itself is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and of course we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that, we've upgraded the alloy wheels to the 19-inch 442M alloys, which we've had fully refurbished in the original by Orbit Grey. Situated behind there, you'll see it has the M Sport Plus pack brakes, and that is of course thanks to the vehicle being equipped with that full M Sport Plus package. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2014 64 reg, and of course also has the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Over the top of the car, you'll be able to see it's also equipped with the lovely optional extra of a glass sunroof, and of course we'll explore that in a little bit more detail shortly. Gloss back side air breathers. We've also got the gloss side bars on this vehicle along with the YNC Mperformance decals, and I'll take you for a close-up look on the interior very shortly. Another nice addition, we've added these very nice carbon fibre side mirror caps, as you can see there, and again thanks to having that glass sunroof, it really does let a lot of natural light into this lovely interior, where we find the black Dakota leather with both the electric movement, memory for driver side, and it is of course heated for drivers and passengers. Again, thanks to the M Sport Plus pack, we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, and as you can see, I will shortly be opening up that sunroof to its fullest. However, even in the tilt, it really does let a lot of natural light in. We've also got the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. And again, everything is very clean and tidy within the rear. You'll see it's the Isofix 3-seat rear bench, a central folding armrest, and of course we still get the lovely darkened M Sport headline in. At the back of the car, again showing you off these freshly refurbished alloy wheels. I'll show you the other additions we've made. So we've added a carbon fibre style rear spoiler again, and we've also added a gloss black rear diffuser. Of course, being the 435D, we've also got that superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive. On there, we've got a very sophisticated 4-wheel drive system underneath this car. It does not take anything away from your luggage capacity or even your passenger compartment, so you still get a very large boot space, which can be added to further by taking out both the partial shelves as well as split folding seats. At the other side of the car, you'll be able to see there that again this vehicle is in fantastic condition for the age and the mileage, and hopefully that's coming through okay within this video. The black sapphire metallic really does work very well with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, including those lovely carbon fibre extras. And I'm shortly going to go on into the interior, where again I'll quickly run you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail. We've got the power folding mirrors on the car. We've also got the extended storage, so down here we get a few more storage spaces in and around the car, and including this one just there. As you can see there, we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and I'll start the car up and also just get the sunscreen all the way back. So as you can see there, with that open, now we're going to have a lot more natural light into the car. And we'll run you through a couple of the features and functions of the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently there now, of course, we've got the navigation function open. We've also got Bluetooth, telephone, and of course audio, along with DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs, covering you from music collection as well as external devices for USB, Bluetooth audio, and AUX. Down here is where we find the dual climate controls, along with our switches for these lovely heated front seats. This vehicle itself has covered just over 117,000 miles, however does have full BMW service history to back all of that up, which is of course a nice peace of mind. And of course I'll show you that in just a second. However, onto the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, where as you can see there, we've also got the cruise control, speed limiter, as well as voice and volume controls as well, along with our 8-speed flappy paddle gearbox, which is of course always very nice, working in conjunction with that twin turbo engine as well as the 4-wheel drive. So up here you'll be able to see, if we go into service history, all of this fast service history. So starting at the bottom, going all the way up to the very most recent service. The most recent visit to BMW was carried out at just over 112,000 miles, and that was for a brake fluid service. However, the time before that, as you can see there, was for an engine oil and microfilter change. So hopefully you've been able to enjoy this walk around video and found it useful. And again, I'll just quickly take you over the top again, so you can see there that having that sunroof really does change the complete ambience experience to the interior. For further information, remember that in the description you'll find a link to the website, where of course you can check this car out in more detail, along with direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.